Hi guys, today we're unboxing this ASRock Phantom Gaming Intel Arc A770. It's an Intel GPU, guys. We finally have one. It has 512 execution unit and it's an OC edition, so the GPU is overclocked to 2200 MHz with memory at 16 gigabits per second. It has 8 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory. So let's see what's inside. Fast, mysterious, unbelievable. Black box with ASRock label. Some quick installation guides and other stuff. And here it is, the Intel GPU. It's just nothing else in the box. It's a massive beast, 305 millimeters in length, 131 in height. It has 3 fans and 5 heat pipes. Yep. On the front, we have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. The power is through 2 8-pins, and as you can see, the card itself is rather small. The rest is a cooler. Maybe ASRock overbuilt it a bit. Also, quite a nice touch. Let's see. Okay, I think you see it. We have a thermal pad at the back, so the memory can be cooled also on the back with this metal plate. It's quite a nice touch from ASRock. And dual BIOSes, addressable RGB header, so you can sync this card with the rest of your system. That's it, guys. This is ASRock Intel A770 Phantom Gaming. Bye!